Very good morning, student. Today I will explain the continuation of first video, class 9, science, chapter number 13. Why do we fall ill? This is the biology portion. Before I start explaining this video, please take out your notebook, pen and pencil to copy down the important topics. The main objectives of this video is, after watching this video, you can explain what are the diseases, what are its causes, and the different types of the disease. Without wasting the time, I will start our video. Please take out your notebooks and be ready. Now, the term this disease, disease and its cause. The term this disease can be defined as an impairment, that is the malnutrition of the normal state of the living organism that disturbs or modifies the performance of the vital function. Now, this disease, the term this disease means what? That is the malnutrition, that is the lack of the nutrition, of the living organisms. This is the state of the malnutrition. This is state of the malnutrition. Because of that, what happened? Our vital activities, vital functions of our body will be disturbed. And this disturbing of our vital activities or functions of our body is called disease. Now this disease may be caused due to this factor. Number one, environmental factor. The environmental factors such as malnutrition, that is the lack of the nutrients. Industrial hazard, that is the chemical which is released, the harmful chemical which are released from the factories. Because of that, we can respond to the disease. Next is due to the change in the climate, that we can respond to the disease. Next, the second there is factor, that is the specific infective agents. In simple terms, we can say that this is known as the pathogens, that is the living organism which can cause the disease. What are they? They are the germs, protozoans, fungi, bacteria, and virus. This agent can respond to the disease. Next is the inherent defect of the organism. Due to the what? This is nothing, that's just the genetic abnormalities. Genetic disorder. Due to the genetic disorder, which can respond to the disease. And the last one is the combination of this disease. That is combinations of these three diseases. And we can respond to any type of the disease. Or that is combination of these three factors. Now, this is the disease and its causes. Now, we are going to study about the types of the diseases. There are two types of the diseases. The one is the acute disease and second one is the chronic disease. Please copy down this one. Done? Yes. Next, acute disease. We are going to study about the acute disease. This acute disease, that is the very simple, that is we can say that short duration disease. Now look here, it is defined as the short duration disease, which generally have relatively severe course. In this short duration, but generally this is severe course. Being a short duration, acute disease is unable to cause a major effect on health. Because of this short duration, this acute disease does not harm the major effect, onto our body. Why? Because this disease will last a few weeks or few days only. Because of that, it does not harm, it does not cause too much effect to our health. Examples of this acute disease are common cold, malaria, typhoid, diarrhea, dysentery. These are the examples of the acute disease, right? Okay, the next one is the chronic disease. This chronic disease is opposite of the acute disease, that is the long duration disease, right? It is defined as a long duration disease with the symptoms, okay, the signs of the disease with the symptoms lasting for the months or year. The sign, the symptoms, okay, the effect of the disease will be carry on, okay, for many months or many years or for the lifespans, okay. After the effect of the disease remain for a long time. This due to this what long duration disease, what happened, because a damaging effect on the body, then it have this what lot of a damaging effect on the body, okay. Examples are tuberculosis, elephantiasis, hypertension, diabetes. These are some of the examples of the chronic disease, okay. This type of disease cannot be cured in a very short period of time. It will be it will take for months, okay, that is 5 to 6 months or more than 2 to 3 years, right? And this type of the disease, okay, have lot of the effect on the our body, and this diabetes and hypertension, okay, it will be last till our lifespan, okay. This is very difficult diseases. Please copy down this page. Okay, done. Yes. Next there is the difference between the acute and the chronic disease. The acute disease, now look here, this lasts for a very short period of time, okay. That is only short period of time. Opposite of this, there is the chronic disease. This lasts for a long time, as much as lifetime, okay. Next, acute disease, this do not cause a long-term effect. That is, it is only the short term, right? That is why it does not, okay, harmful to much in our health. That is bad or effect on the human health. It does not cause any bad effect on the health. But in the chronic disease, this is the long-term effect on the health, okay. Because of that, it is totally harm to our health. Next examples are common cold, malaria, typhoid, diarrhea. These are examples of the acute disease. And the examples, this one, tuberculosis, elephantiasis, hypertension, diabetes, etc. These are examples of the chronic disease, okay. Don't forget, please copy down this one. This differentiation is one of the important, okay, points. The next, okay. Now look here, this is the causes of the disease. What are the causes of the disease? This, okay, there are so many causes, but only few, okay, I've selected. There is the 3 of them, okay. The first one is what? Immediate causes. Immediate causes, we can say that this is also primary causes, okay. These primary causes, the mainly is done by the infectious agent, that is the pathogens, okay. Now look here, it is the real or primary causes of the disease, which is also called the first level cause, okay. For infectious disease, the immediate cause is pathogen. For infectious disease, these pathogens play a very important role. Next, there is the second level, that is known as the contributing causes. These contributing causes, look here, that is in here, they makes a person prone to catching disease. In this second level or second, this what causes of this disease, that is, it shows that this what symptoms, okay. After catching the disease, it show the symptoms, okay. And in here, it can also divide it into susceptible and non-susceptible disease, okay. Now look here, all the persons are not equally susceptible to the disease. Now look here. Due to the difference in their immune system, some of the persons can, after catching the disease, okay, they are not showing the symptoms. Why? They are the non-susceptible. But some of the persons, after catching the disease, they can easily show the disease. Why? They are what? Their immune system are too weak. Okay, because of that, they can easily show their symptoms, and they are known as the susceptible to the disease. Look here, some contract the disease while the other do not. True, they may receive equal amount of the contamination. That's why after catching the disease, okay, after catching the disease, the immune system of some persons are very weak. Because of that, they can easily show the disease. Okay, they can easily show their symptoms of the disease. Why? Because their immune system is very weak. And another persons, after catching the disease, but also they are not showing, okay, then why their immune system is too strong, then this immune system can easily suppress the disease. Okay, the susceptibility may be poor health related to undernourishment. This susceptibility is due to the what? Poor nourishment. Okay, due to the poor health related to undernourishment. That is, their immune system is too weak. Because of that, what happened? They can easily catch the disease. Okay, and after that, they can easily show their symptoms. In some persons, susceptibility or non-susceptibility to the pathogen is genetically related, and in some persons, due to their genes, okay, they can easily this what kids or some of the person, due to their genes, they can easily block, or they can easily protect from the disease. Because of that, their susceptibility will be depends. They contributing the cause of undernourishment and poor hereditary are also called the second level causes, as they connected with a particular person. And this poor nourishment, that is this immune system, and the hereditary are okay considered as the second level, that is the contributing cause. Okay, the last one is the third level causes. In third level causes, the certain causes increase the prominence of the disease. Okay, what are certain causes? They are called the third level causes. The first that are the repeated supply of the unclean water. Okay, will make everybody catch the waterborne disease. This totally this what correct. Okay, if we are drinking this what unclean water, or if we are in health what unclean air, what happened? Then we will easily catch the waterborne and airborne diseases, right? That's why this disease, from where it comes? It comes from the another this what supply, that is from the air and the water, right? And this type of the causes is known as the third level causes. Public poor public health service, like poor sanitation, okay, or because of this environmental factors, such as the because of this what climatic factor, environmental factors, okay, that is from the industrial hazard, okay. Because of that, we will case the disease, that is it can easily spread the disease. Okay, it becomes the third level of the causes. Okay, these are the three, okay, causes of the disease. Okay, please copy down this, and this is the last part of this video. Okay, please copy down. Okay, please watch this video carefully. If you have any doubt or any confusion, please send one message to the WhatsApp group. I will clear your doubts. That's all for today. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.